Hello friends, welcome to LearnOne. In previous lecture, we have learned the practicals of a block variable with local scope. Now we will see practical example of block with global scope. Here I am creating one variable, that is variable a, and I am assigning a value 10 to my variable. Now I am creating one block that will iterate for 5 times. So 5 dot times do and my local variable initialization. Let me say that is variable b, and here my block execution. So what I am doing is I am assigning my local scope variables value to my global scope. So variable a equal to variable b. So local variables b, the value of local variables b is assigned to my variable a, that is my global variable. Now I am printing out its value. Let's say put as value of variable a in block is, and I am using string interpolation, that is variable a, and here my block execution completed. So it will printing out same from 0 to 4 times, as my index always starts from 0. So total 5 iterations, and each time I am getting incremented value. So first time I will get 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 5 iterations. But now I am again printing out my variable's value, that is my global variable. Let's say put as variable a, and here we have value 4. In previous example we have received a value 10 because it has considered the global value, and we have set it to 10. Here again we have set a global value 10, but each time my loop iterates, what I am doing is I am assigning my local value to my global variable. So it will always update my value with the localized value, and this is the reason why I am getting 4 here as my output. So this is how we can work with block variable as global scope. In next lecture we will learn about the exceptions.